We had a stormy night last night, and it's still very gray, overcast, and gentle rain falling right now. This is what I did yesterday in the garden. I've got two 30-inch rows. They're about 45 feet long. These are my Gaillardia that I started from seed last year. They're a little beaten down by last night's rain, but they have spread on their own, and they're heat tolerant. It is a wonderful, wonderful native plant. Gaillardia, good pollinator plant, planted. Here is what happens when you don't protect a dragon fruit plant from the cold weather in Florida. So we had a freeze, but yesterday when I was looking at this, and I covered it back up because I wanted to protect it, there's that. There's a little bit of life on this plant right there, and I'm pretty sure, knowing dragon fruit, the way you can break a piece off and plant it, I can salvage this plant from that little piece. And I'm going to do that today. Here's what's left of the fall and winter garden. Turnip greens look pretty good there, but they were pretty old, and the collard greens, same thing, and it's time to put in, to take that space and put in the spring and summer crops, or I'll miss my chance. And here's what I really came out here to check this morning, and I was a little worried, but now I see it was all a wasted worry. These are my daddle pepper plants, the source of my seeds, my heirloom seeds. We had some really heavy rain, lots of thunder and lightning last night. Probably more to come. These little guys have been in these big pots for about a week, and they handled it just great. So I'm no longer worried about that. There's no grape better, in my opinion, than a southern muscadine or scuppernong grape, and these are Fry, which is a pretty famous name in the muscadine world. These two will go in the ground today. Perfect, nice soaking rain last night. Couldn't be a better time to plant them. This little volunteer black cherry, native black cherry. What are you doing on there? Are you munching on my black cherry? Go. This one was a volunteer, like I said, in a old daddle pepper pot. It came from that one that I planted as a seed decades ago. This is my satsuma tree. It's loaded. It was loaded with blossoms, just a cloud of white blossoms. Now it's loaded with tiny satsuma fruits. And we'll see. Last year it did something similar and dropped a bunch of those fruit. It's a new addition to the garden. It's a pomegranate, and it is Granada. And I'm a noob when it comes to growing pomegranates, so I've got things to learn, so I can't say much more about it. This is my wonderful girl, Coquina. Hey, Coquina, what you doing? Kenny, what's up? What's up, Kenny? Squirrels? Oh, hey. Hi, Kenny. Good girl. So it's this season again. The lubber grasshopper nymphs are popping out of the ground. First thing they do is go up high on the tallest piece of grass, or in this case, spiderwort near where they hatched out. And they're going to become giant, ravenous grasshoppers about that big, and way sooner than I would like. Whoa! Whoa! It's coming. Wait for the thunder. Alright, I'm not editing this part out. Hey, that's it for our rainy day, stormy day garden tour, April 11, 2021. Y'all stay safe out there.